If you are searching for a beef fried rice recipe, this is the one for you. Let's go ahead and get into it. I've sliced my beef tips into portionable size pieces, and I have my ingredients here that I'm using as a tenderizer. I'm going to refrigerate and let it sit for 4 hours. Scrambling my eggs without any seasoning. Sauteing my vegetables with just a touch of heat. Not fully cooking them. I've added my ginger and my garlic. Going in now with my beef. Adding my seasonings, and I'm going to toss to make sure each piece is coated fairly well, and then I'll let it cook down until it is tender. Getting all of that caramelized flavor, scraping the bottom of the pan. We're now going to go ahead and bring everything together. I did cook my rice a day before, and you want to make sure that your rice is firm and not mushy because it will continue to cook throughout this process. This is a mixture of oyster sauce, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Now this may not look like much, but this is 1/4 cup, and believe me, it is plenty. And here you have it. Add you a touch of Shito on the side, and you have some good eating right here. Until next time, guys. Shalom.